I thought I was cooking healthy until I found tiny plastic shavings mixed into my family's dinner. The cheap board I trusted was shedding microplastics straight into our meals. Finding a genuinely non-toxic, durable cutting board is a frustrating maze of misleading eco-labels, hidden toxic glues, and chemical finishes. Today, I am revealing the 7 best non-toxic boards I've rigorously tested to replace my toxic mess, but one completely shocked me. Let's count down to the ultimate safe surface for your kitchen. 7. Alfred Cutting Board. When I first unboxed this board, I was immediately drawn to its rich acacia wood construction and the convenient built-in cracker well. It looks incredibly stylish on a kitchen counter, and the brand pushes its non-toxic, eco-friendly finishes, which initially gave me peace of mind. I spent a week using this board for everything from simple fruit slicing to assembling elaborate charcuterie spreads for guests, hoping it would be the perfect all-rounder for my daily kitchen needs. However, the hands-on testing quickly revealed some frustrating realities that forced it to the bottom of my list. While the acacia wood is beautiful, it is noticeably harder on my knives than I expected. After just a few days of heavy meal prep, I found myself needing to hone my chef's knife much more frequently than I do with other wooden boards. The surface also seemed to scar a bit too easily for my liking, leaving visible, jagged knife marks that detracted from that premium aesthetic I loved right out of the box. My biggest concern, however, and the reason it ranks at number 7, involves the maintenance and the long-term integrity of the board. Despite following the care instructions religiously and washing it gently by hand, I noticed the wood beginning to feel slightly dry and splintery near the juice groove much faster than the other boards on this list. While the finish is genuinely non-toxic, the glue joints between the wood strips started to show microscopic separations after a few washes, making me deeply anxious about bacteria getting trapped in those tiny crevices where my sponge couldn't reach. 6. Elihome Essential. I was incredibly intrigued by this one because it promises to be completely non-toxic, eco-friendly, and most appealingly, dishwasher safe. When I first held it, the slim profile and lightweight nature were a welcome change from the heavy wooden blocks I am used to lugging around the sink. I threw it straight into my rigorous testing routine, utilizing it for messy tasks like breaking down raw poultry and dicing heavily staining vegetables like beets. While the dishwasher safe claim held up perfectly, it survived multiple high-heat sanitizing cycles without warping or bending. The actual cutting experience was distinctly underwhelming. The surface of the Elihome is exceptionally hard and rigid. Every time my knife made contact with the board, it produced a loud, sharp clack that was grating on the ears and harsh on the blade. I could literally feel the edge of my premium Japanese knives degrading with each prep session. It lacks the soft, forgiving nature of traditional wood, which is a major drawback for anyone who cares about maintaining their cutlery. Furthermore, while the board is undeniably non-toxic and free of BPA and formaldehyde, it has a surprisingly slick texture. When I was trying to finely mince wet ingredients like onions, tomatoes, or marinated meats, I found the food, and sometimes my knife blade, slipping away that felt borderline dangerous. The juice groove is also quite shallow, meaning that when I rested a juicy steak on it to slice, the liquid easily breached the edges and made a mess on my countertop, defeating the purpose of having a groove entirely. 5. Greener Chef. Bamboo is famous in the non-toxic cookware space, and I was eager to see if this specific extra-large board lived up to the hype. Out of the box, this board offered an incredibly generous workspace that instantly made me want to start chopping. It is crafted from organic, naturally antimicrobial bamboo, and the company is very transparent about using food-safe, formaldehyde-free glues. This level of transparency immediately put my mind at ease regarding chemical leaching into my family's food. Testing the Greener Chef was a surprisingly pleasant experience. I used it heavily for massive family meal preps, piling it high with mountains of chopped root vegetables and large cuts of meat. The two-tone design is gorgeous, and the wood feels remarkably smooth to the touch. Unlike the slick composite of the Elihome, the bamboo provided a much better grip for my wet ingredients, allowing for precise, fast knife work without the fear of slipping. The deep juice groove also performed flawlessly, catching every drop of liquid from a massive watermelon I carved up on a hot afternoon. What truly impressed me was its resilience. Despite its relatively lightweight feel, this board took an absolute beating in my kitchen. I pounded chicken breasts, aggressively chopped heavy vegetables, and the surface barely showed a scratch after weeks of abuse. Bamboo is harder than traditional maple or walnut, so it does require a bit more frequent knife honing, but it strikes a much better balance than composite boards. I also love that it didn't absorb any lingering odors from pungent garlic or onions after a simple wash with mild soap and warm water. 4. Sonder Los Angeles Winsome. Where their Alfred board let me down, the Winsome completely redeemed the brand in my eyes. This board is an absolute showstopper, crafted from sustainable edge-grain teak wood. Teak is naturally rich in oils, making it incredibly resistant to moisture, bacteria, and warping, which is exactly what you want in a non-toxic kitchen environment. The moment I set it on my counter, it elevated the entire look of the space with its rich, varied grain. During my testing phase, the Winsome quickly became my absolute favorite board for complex, multi-ingredient meal prep. The standout feature is the 3 built-in carved compartments on one side. I found myself using this board daily, dicing onions into one slot, garlic into another, and sweeping undesirable scraps into the third. It streamlined my cooking process immensely, keeping my workspace organized and clean. When I flipped it over, I had a beautiful flat surface for rolling out dough or serving a massive charcuterie spread, making it incredibly versatile. The cutting experience on this teak board is phenomenal. It has a forgiving, almost buttery feel under the knife that protects sharp edges beautifully, yet it is dense enough to resist deep gouges where dangerous bacteria love to hide. I felt completely confident serving food directly off this board, knowing it was finished with only non-toxic, food-safe mineral oils and natural beeswax. The natural moisture resistance of the teak also meant it dried remarkably fast after washing, further inhibiting any potential bacterial growth in the kitchen. The Sonder Los Angeles Winsome is a masterclass in combining aesthetic luxury with practical, safe functionality. 3. Shun Cutlery. If you own high-end Japanese knives or any premium cutlery that you care deeply about, this board is practically mandatory. It is made from Japanese hinoki, a type of cypress wood that is prized for its beauty, delicate natural fragrance, and incredible softness. When I unboxed it, the subtle, clean, citrus-like scent of the cypress was immediately noticeable, signaling that this was a truly natural, entirely untreated product. Testing the Shun Hinoki board felt like an absolute revelation. The wood is exceptionally soft, which means that when your knife blade strikes the surface, the wood gives way slightly. This give preserves the razor-sharp edge of your knives exponentially longer than any other material I have ever tested. I spend hours delicately slicing sashimi, trimming briskets, and finally julienning vegetables, and the blade felt just as sharp at the end of the week as it did at the beginning. It is a tactile joy to use, absorbing the shock of chopping with zero harsh feedback. From a non-toxic standpoint, it truly does not get much purer than this. Hinoki wood contains natural antibacterial compounds, which makes it inherently hygienic without the need for chemical treatments or synthetic glues. I absolutely loved the minimalist, single-piece construction of this board, which entirely eliminates the worry of glue seams splitting over time or harboring tiny food particles. It is a simple, elegant slab of pure nature resting on your countertop. The Shun Hinoki board does require a specific care routine. You must wet it before use to prevent staining from dark foods and wash it carefully by hand, but the payoff is extraordinary. 2. Epicurean Chef Series. I admit, I was initially skeptical of its rich light material, a paper composite infused with a food-safe resin. It didn't have the rustic charm of traditional wood, and I worried it would feel cheap, but my skepticism vanished entirely once I started putting it to work. This board is an absolute powerhouse of modern kitchen engineering, offering a flawless balance of safety, heavy-duty durability, and astonishing everyday convenience. The most liberating aspect of testing the Epicurean board was its maintenance, or rather, the complete lack thereof. Unlike every other premium non-toxic board on this list, this one is genuinely, perfectly dishwasher safe. After prepping raw chicken or dealing with a massive, messy roast, being able to slide this board directly into the dishwasher on a high-heat sanitizing cycle provided the ultimate peace of mind. It emerged completely unwarped, spotless, and deeply hygienic every single time, totally eliminating the fear of cross-contamination in my kitchen. Despite being a composite, the non-toxic credentials of this board are rock solid. It is NSF certified for commercial use, totally non-porous, and remarkably heat-resistant up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I actually used it as a massive trivet for roasting pans straight out of the oven, and it didn't suffer a single scorch mark. The cutting surface provides a fantastic grip for food, and the massive, deep juice groove easily contained the runoff from a fully rested turkey. It is also surprisingly gentle on knives, scoring much better in my test than the other composite board on this list. The Epicurean Chef Series board is the ultimate solution for the busy home cook who refuses to compromise on food safety but desperately wants easy, reliable cleanup. 1. John Boo's Chop and Slice. John Boo's is a legendary name in the culinary world, and after thoroughly testing this specific model for weeks, it is overwhelmingly clear why professional chefs rely on them globally. This board is crafted from sustainably sourced northern hard rock maple, delivering a classic, thick, edge-grained butcher block experience that simply cannot be beaten by any other material or brand. From the very first cut, the John Boo's board exudes an unparalleled sense of quality and craftsmanship. It is wonderfully heavy, anchoring itself to the countertop with absolute authority. I tested this by doing heavy cleaver work, chopping through tough winter squash and pounding out thick cutlets, and the board did not budge a single millimeter. The maple wood offers the perfect middle ground for a cutting surface. It is dense enough to resist deep scarring and bacterial absorption, yet forgiving enough to perfectly maintain the delicate edges of my most expensive chef's knives. Safety and pure non-toxic performance are where this board truly leaves the competition behind. It is proudly NSF certified, assuring the absolute highest standards of food safety and sanitation. It arrives finished with their proprietary food-safe mystery oil and beeswax cream, which are completely natural and non-toxic. During my heavy use, the board naturally repelled moisture and resisted food stains brilliantly. Knowing that I am prepping my family's meals on a solid piece of pure American maple, completely free from complex synthetic resins or questionable manufacturing glues, is deeply reassuring. The John Boo's Chop and Slice is far more than just a cutting board. It is a lifetime investment in your kitchen's health and functionality. Ultra. That's all for today.